Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook. So if you're looking to hide reactions as well as likes when you're browsing Facebook, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so the first thing we need to do to hide likes on Facebook is simply open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once we have the app open, go ahead and open the Facebook menu, and we do that by selecting the three horizontal lines in the bottom menu. So the one all the way to the right. This will open up the menu. From here, we need to scroll down until we see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and select that. And then under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Now that we're in the Settings and Privacy area of Facebook, we need to scroll down just under Preferences right here, and you should see Reaction Preferences. Select that. And then under Reaction Preferences, we have two options that will help us completely hide likes on Facebook. So first we can hide them on posts from others. So these are other people's posts that we see on Facebook. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. And then the second option is to hide likes on the posts that we make on Facebook. So I'll go ahead and select that as well. Once you've made the preferences changes that you want, you can go ahead and select the back button in the top left and then select the newsfeed home button in the bottom left to go back to Facebook. All right, so that's how you hide likes on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.